Have you ever wondered what makes free-range chickens feel most comfortable when laying eggs? It's not just about a simple nest. At this free-range chicken farm, creating nests that are close to nature has become a fascinating art. From soft layers of dry leaves to nests hidden under the shade of green trees, everything is designed to provide maximum comfort, allowing the chickens to lay eggs in the most natural way. But why do chickens love these natural nests so much? Let's find out. Chickens have been domesticated for a long time, but their wild instincts are still strong. Even though they've adapted to captivity, they still seek quiet, secluded places, just like their wild ancestors did when laying eggs. Nests made from straw, dry leaves, and hidden in peaceful corners not only recreate the natural environment, but also give chickens a sense of safety and relaxation, making the egg-laying process smoother. At the free-range chicken farm, the chickens live freely, roaming and foraging by instinct. Their diet is entirely natural: rice, corn, and insects, all of which contribute to their health and make the meat more flavorful and firm. Unlike industrial farms, this farm is designed to be rustic and close to nature, allowing the chickens to feel the freedom that runs in their blood. This not only makes the chickens comfortable in laying eggs, but also creates a perfect breeding environment. The reproductive process begins shortly after successful mating, typically about 2 to 3 days after the rooster and hen mate. Then, the hen starts laying eggs, 1 per day, continuously for about 10 to 14 days, depending on the breed and growth conditions. Once the egg-laying cycle ends, the hen moves into the incubation stage. Throughout the incubation process, which lasts about 21 days, providing sufficient food and water, along with supplements like calcium and protein, is crucial to ensure the eggs develop optimally. If the hen isn't well cared for, the quality of the eggs and the hatch rate can be affected. After exactly 21 days, the chicks begin to break out of their shells. The process, from cracking the shell to fully emerging, can take from 12 to 24 hours. Seeing the little chicks for the first time, with their soft, downy feathers and curious eyes, is such a sweet and emotional moment, isn't it? As soon as the chicks hatch, the mother leads them to forage. Whatever she does, they imitate, gradually learning life's lessons. Once the chicks are able to forage on their own, the mother resumes her reproductive cycle. To increase productivity in farming, industrial incubation methods are widely used. The process starts by collecting eggs after the hens lay them. The eggs are carefully selected, removing those that don't meet size, shape, or quality standards. Then, all the eggs are placed into incubators. When it's time to hatch, after 21 days, the chicks begin to break their shells. After hatching, they are moved to a special care area where they are kept warm with automatic heating systems, ensuring the temperature stays between 32 to 35 degrees during the first few days. This area is fully equipped with food and water, with a diet suitable for newly hatched chicks, helping them grow quickly in their early life stages. The chicks' health is monitored daily to ensure none of them are sick or weak. If any signs of illness are detected, the affected chicks are separated for special care. Within 2 to 3 weeks, the chicks grow stronger, their feathers fully develop, and they begin foraging on their own. Once they are big enough, the chicks are moved to the natural environment of the free-range farm, where they can live freely, forage, and roam like adult chickens. This process not only ensures high productivity, but also helps maintain the chicken's health and natural instincts, producing healthy chickens with firm, nutritious meat. By combining modern technology with a natural environment, industrial incubation methods not only increase productivity, but also maintain product quality, meeting the growing demands of the market. Free-range chickens, after going through the industrial incubation process, are highly favored by consumers for their tasty, firm meat, and their eggs are rich in nutritional value, always sought after in the market. Free-range chicken meat is known for being firm, flavorful, and nutritious, loved by many. Additionally, free-range eggs, despite being more expensive, are always in high demand due to their excellent taste and quality. Remember, when we provide chickens with a living environment that's close to nature, they not only live happily, but also produce the best quality products. Because deep inside every chicken, they're still wild creatures. If you found this video helpful and informative, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel to stay updated with more interesting videos.